In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete automation in Wix. Sometimes you set up an automation in Wix that you no longer need, or maybe you're testing different workflows and want to clean things up. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to safely remove an automation from your Wix dashboard, and I'll point out a few things to keep in mind before you hit delete. First, sign into your Wix account and open the site where the automation is set up. From your site's main dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side. Find and click on the option labeled Automations. This is where all the automations connected to your site are listed, including any custom ones you've created. Give the page a moment to load so you can see the full list. Once you're on the automations page, scroll through the list to find the specific automation you want to remove. Take a second to double check the automation's name and description so you're sure you're targeting the right one. Deleting an automation can't be undone easily, so it's worth confirming that you don't need it anymore, or that you have another automation replacing it. When you've found the right automation, move your mouse over that row. On the right side of the automation, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu with actions you can take on that automation. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Delete and click on it. Wix will not delete the automation immediately. Instead, it will ask you to confirm, just to make sure this isn't an accidental click. This step helps prevent you from removing something important by mistake. A confirmation window will pop up, usually with a message letting you know that this action will permanently delete the automation and that it will no longer run on your site. Read this message carefully. If you are absolutely sure that you no longer want this automation, go ahead and click on Delete Automation in the confirmation window. After you confirm, Wix will remove that automation from your list. It should disappear from the automations page, which is a good way to verify that it's been deleted. If you ever change your mind later, you can always create a new automation from scratch or rebuild a similar one using the same trigger and actions.